Welcome back to my channel, Piyu's Artsy. Hey, I am back with a new video for you all. Today I will show you how to make a cat with paper. The things required are art paper, pencil, eraser, sketch pen, scissor and scale. So let's start. Take 2 square pieces of art paper of any color as per your choice. I have taken one piece of art paper of measurement 15 cm on each side and another piece measuring 16 cm on each side. You may take measurements of your choice. Accordingly, the size will vary. Now follow the steps as shown in the video. So, this much for today. If you have enjoyed my video, please like the video and let me know in the comment section what art crafts you want to see in my next video. Thanks and take care.